Have you ever gazed up at the sky and noticed those long white streaks trailing behind airplanes? Most of us think they're contrails, short for condensation trails, created when the hot exhaust from jet engines meets the cold air in the atmosphere. But conspiracy theorists insist these are something much darker. Chemtrails, a deliberate chemical spray unleashed by governments for sinister purposes. Welcome back to Conspiracy Corner, where today we're unmasking the so-called chemtrail conspiracy. Advocates of the chemtrail theory argue that these suspicious skies are part of secretive government programs, like weather modification, population control, or even mind manipulation. They point to the supposed increase in illnesses like respiratory problems and even Alzheimer's as side effects of chemical exposure. As dramatic as this sounds, is there any credibility to these claims? Could the modern skies really bear evidence of a high-flying conspiracy? Let's sift through the evidence and separate fact from fiction. First, meteorologists and scientists have extensively explained the science behind contrails. When airplane exhaust hits the frigid high-altitude air, it condenses into water droplets or ice crystals. Variables like humidity and temperature can cause these contrails to linger or dissipate quickly, explaining why some may appear persistent. Simple atmospheric science debunks much of the chemtrail hysteria. Additionally, no solid proof has been presented to support these claims. If chemtrails were real, you'd expect to see whistleblowers, leaked government documents, credible lab analyses, or conclusive studies. Instead, chemtrail claims rely largely on speculation, anecdotal observations, and dubious photographic evidence. But let's entertain, for a moment, that the theory is true. If chemtrails were real, and governments truly possessed the capability to alter weather, wouldn't that be a game changer in addressing climate challenges? And if this were a form of population control, would it even be an efficient or targeted method? Considering the breadth of global air travel, wouldn't those spraying the chemicals also be at risk themselves? It's a theory riddled with logistical and logical roadblocks. What's more likely? Chemtrail theory is an offshoot of human mistrust in authority and misunderstanding of environmental science. It reflects our need to explain phenomena that seem mysterious or out of the ordinary. But in this instance, science offers a clear and well-substantiated explanation. So the next time you look up at the sky and see those streaks, take a deep breath and remember, they're just water vapor. Or are they? The truth is out there, but it's definitely not chemtrails. Stay curious and join us next time on Conspiracy Corner.